FDA Registration Assistance presents. Many foreign companies are surprised to learn that simply entering a U.S. agent's information during FDA registration does not automatically complete the process. In some cases, FDA registrations are delayed because the selected U.S. agent rejects the appointment. So why does this happen, and what can companies do to avoid these costly delays? Let's find out. For many FDA registrations involving foreign establishments, FDA requires the designated U.S. agent to confirm that they accept the appointment. After the registration is submitted, FDA sends a confirmation request directly to the proposed U.S. agent. The U.S. agent must then affirmatively accept the designation. Until the appointment is confirmed, the registration process may remain incomplete. One of the most common reasons U.S. agents reject appointments is simple: the foreign company never contacted them. Some businesses mistakenly assume they can list any U.S. address or company during registration. When the proposed U.S. agent receives an unexpected FDA request from an unknown company, they often reject the appointment. Always establish a formal agreement with your U.S. agent before submitting FDA registrations. One of the most common reasons U.S. agents reject appointments is simple: the foreign company never contacted them. Some businesses mistakenly assume they can list any U.S. address or company during registration. When the proposed U.S. agent receives an unexpected FDA request from an unknown company, they often reject the appointment. Always establish a formal agreement with your U.S. agent before submitting FDA registrations. Another common problem occurs when companies use a person's or company's information without authorization. FDA U.S. agent services are professional services. Companies should never list an individual, consultant, customs broker, friend, or business partner without obtaining their consent first. Unauthorized use of contact information frequently leads to rejected appointments. Incorrect contact information is another major cause of registration delays. Examples include incorrect email addresses, outdated phone numbers, misspelled company names, or entering the wrong individual as the U.S. agent. If FDA cannot successfully contact the designated U.S. agent, the registration process may be delayed or rejected. Accurate information is essential. Many U.S. agent relationships operate under annual service agreements. If the agreement has expired or has been terminated, the former U.S. agent may reject future FDA appointment requests. Companies should always verify that their U.S. agent agreement remains active before submitting new registrations or renewals. Selecting the right U.S. agent is about more than simply satisfying an FDA requirement. Your U.S. agent may receive important FDA communications involving registration matters, inspection-related correspondence, regulatory inquiries, and emergency communications. Choosing an experienced and responsive compliance partner can significantly improve your regulatory experience. Some of the most common mistakes include listing a U.S. agent without permission, using outdated contact information, assuming any U.S.-based individual can serve as a U.S. agent, failing to maintain active service agreements, or waiting until the last minute to secure U.S. agent services. Proper planning can help avoid unnecessary delays and frustration. Since 2013, FDA Registration Assistance has served as a trusted FDA U.S. agent for companies around the world. Our team assists businesses with FDA U.S. agent services, food facility registration, medical device registration, drug establishment registration, MOCRE compliance, and broader FDA regulatory support. We help ensure your FDA registrations are completed accurately and efficiently. A rejected U.S. agent appointment can delay your FDA registration and postpone market access. Working with an experienced and responsive U.S. agent can help simplify the process. Contact FDA Registration Assistance today to learn how our team can support your FDA registration and U.S. agent needs.